Step into the 2014 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.